so hot outside, but at Dollar Tree, fall is here. While it's still summertime, we're gonna escape the heat for a minute. I'm gonna share with you my favorite $1.25 and $1.50 finds, kind of like a little vacation from summer for just a minute. Tell me what you think.
You best believe some of the easiest tricks incoming. The one product that sells out every year are the $1.50 hand soaps. Look at this one. It reminds me of a Starbucks drink. They come in 3 cents. The cinnamon is my favorite. Make sure to get these right away because you can't find them come August. The apple one is awesome. They're perfect to keep out all season long. Another $1.50 find are these ceramic pumpkins. They're flying off shelves. They're a new design this year. I absolutely love them. There are so many new products this year, and if you go into Dollar Tree seeing these and feeling overwhelmed, I've got you because there's lots of things I would pass on that are super cute.
Glitter weather. It's not sweater weather. It's glitter weather. It's where you open the front door and the glitter gets everywhere. It's glitter weather.
So this fall preview is meant to share with you all the new items, but also inspire you. If you are not somebody who feels naturally creative, don't go broke buying stuff you don't need. Kathryn's got you.
There are 3 staples for a sweet fall that anybody can do. The first is a front door. The second is a centerpiece, and the third is a mantle. If you can tackle those 3 areas, you'll have a little taste of fall on a budget, and we're starting with the front door. They brought back the pumpkin wreath forms. I'm gonna share with you exactly how to put one together that looks awesome. We're gonna create our pumpkin base with this gorgeous orange ribbon. I love that this orange is not too bright. I think it's gonna look really good. I have some twine I can use at home, and I really love the harvest acorns. Let's see what we can put together.
Not only do the hand soaps sell out, but so do the ribbon. This goes so fast. I think a lot of people make DIY wreaths, which is what we're about to do, but I want to share with you a couple of new products first. These velvet pumpkins are fantastic. They come in a 3-pack for $1.50. Because of their quality and $1.50 price point, I anticipate these selling out quickly. Immediate high-end is anything velvet from Dollar Tree. These white velvet pumpkins we're about to use too. They also have these over-the-door hooks. But quickly, our pumpkin wreath. All you need are 2 spools of orange ribbon. At the top of the pumpkin, hot glue the ribbon over the side and then crisscross it down the center. This entire project will cost you less than $5. It should crisscross 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Attach the ribbon to the bottom and do the same thing on the next piece of wire, overlapping in the gaps. Secure each of these at the bottom with hot glue, and you want to repeat this process over the entire wreath. Then embellish in any way you want to. I had some twine sitting in my stash. Then I looped the twine over the top to make sure it covered all of it. I grabbed some floral picks and broke them down and hot glued them to the pumpkin. And then I tied on a bit of lace ribbon so I could hang this, and you have a cute and very unique wreath. I don't think anybody on the street is going to have this. Now, if this is too much, my dear, don't worry. They sell $5 wreaths at Dollar Tree too. Are you a colorful girly or do you like more neutral wreaths? I personally like both.
The door swag is new this year and the price is $5.
This is a brand new product and another great buy.
Another staple are the welcome mats for $5. These are some of my favorites, and every year I love seeing the designs because they keep getting better and better.
All right, friends, we're about to complete our front porch before we go inside to our table and our mantle. But we've got our adorable pumpkin wreath and our doormat. I'm saying this is looking like Pottery Barn to me. Another brand new product was this $7 acorn tray, which I thought was really cute. And don't worry, we're going to get back to the $1.50 products in a minute. But I had to share a couple plus section items that caught my eye because this is a true fall preview. I love these mini lanterns. They're leaves, gourds, acorns, and pumpkins. And if you want to see them lit up, this is what they look like. I also found these $7 wicker pumpkins, which really remind me of something you'd find at Pottery Barn. But what I like to do is take the leaves off, get some Dollar Tree tea lights, you get 2 to a pack, and set this inside the pumpkin. There is not an easier DIY than this one. It's a great fall transition piece. And speaking of transitions into fall, this pumpkin wagon was totally giving Cinderella, like her little pumpkin carriage, right? I'm obsessed with this and was totally dreamscaping how I could use it this year. That's what I love to do this season is just look at what's available and think, how could I use that in my home? I do think that those carriages are going to sell out very quickly. They also had these really cute wheelbarrows. Now that we've tackled the front door, remember, you don't have to decorate every little corner of your house for fall. It's about finding specific moments that are really going to sing. And up next, we have to tackle a centerpiece. You look at your table every day, so you deserve to have it be something actually beautiful.
You don't have to buy everything. The key is layering. Something simple like this with these beautiful cashmere pumpkins. I love this look.
Number 2, we're doing a table in 2 minutes. Think I can do it? Grab 2 Dollar Tree swags, 2 pumpkins, and 2 picks. I want you to put the velvet picks inside each of the swags and then combine them together. You could zip tie them, but that's optional. Then take the 2 pumpkins and overlap them. I had some candlesticks already on my table that I put around this display. Literally, in a couple of minutes, you have a gorgeous display. Everyone is going to think you got this at a high-end store. I will say, though, if you come eat dinner at my house, everybody knows I love the Dollar Tree and thrifting. So most people ask me, Kathryn, where did you thrift it? Is it from the Dollar Tree? So at my house, maybe that's a thing. But if you weren't at Kathryn's house, would you know that both of these things came from the dollar store? We've got our front door. We've got our table. I'm going to snuff the candles because I don't want people to yell at me in the comments. Kathryn, it's too early for fall. Don't worry.
When it comes to Dollar Tree candles, I'm going to tell you what to buy and what not to buy. A lot of these I skip, but my 2 favorites are the Cashmere Vanilla and the Rustling Leaves. Plus, I love these containers. You can use these after you burn them down.
I'm showing you now because these sell out. Rustling Leaves, Cashmere Vanilla. Got it? Got it. But we've still got to tackle our mantle, and I want to share with you some super easy ideas. They have all new signs this year, but I was not looking to tackle any of these. I wanted something more classic.
Fall florals are $1.75 each, and I don't recommend all of them. There are 3 specific ones that stand out to me, and the first, hi, I'm well, how are you? Good.
Oh, you're doing some fall stuff?
Some fall stuff, I know, and I know we'll be back when the rest is out, but love that. She's pulling stuff from the back. Yes. Okay. I love my store manager. I like neutral fall, rust colors, and olive tones. I really like these. I'm going to share with you the easiest DIY. Like if you're a non-creative person and you're like, cool, Kathryn, I see the cheap fall things, but I don't know what to do with them. Maybe you've got stuff in your stash. We're going to make this together.
The front of the store is where I found all of the $1.50 pumpkins, and there are lots of them that are really good this year, specifically these crackle pumpkins.
To Dollar Tree, fall comes in 2 waves. So my store manager just brought out these, which are super cute. You get 2 containers in a pack. I love the little squirrel on this. There's a fox. Okay, this is adorable to give cookies in.
Cottagecore woodlands are so trending. This is such a practical buy if you like to bake, and lots of fun things that you could do with kids or for Sunday school.
They're stocking things. This is like a whole new little display. They must have just got this. Coastal coconut. Bonus buy with Kathryn. You may not have thought to come to the cleaning section for some fall finds, but they are hidden in here and I'm real excited about it. They have these Dupes flexible, fast drying scrub brushes. Now this is 3M brand, highly recommend, but my favorite one is over here. These pop-up sponges that expand in water. They have all new fall ones. These are so cute and they're really good.
Suddenly I want pie.
Yeah, suddenly we want pie. Kathy and I are like, is it too early to film a fall video? But listen, I like to show you. This channel is kind of an escape for you to watch things that you love, figure out what you want to try, plan a little ahead. I know it's summer. You keep enjoying the pool, but just know that there's apple cinnamon scent at Dollar Tree when you're ready. Unless you wait too long and then it's gone and then it's not here, but it's here for now. For our centerpiece, you could just use an amazing Dollar Tree candle, but I'm gonna take it a step further. You need 2 pieces of glassware, a large one and a small one. You can get them from here, thrift them, raid your stash, and then we're gonna put it together using the Dollar Tree florals. While I'm here, look at these. They have little bud vases. They're so cute. They're so small. It's American Girl doll vases.
I told you we've got to tackle the mantle. You just need some silver dollar sprigs. I actually like to put these all around my house in any vases. Adding just a few of these gives you a great fall transition. But here is the best project. All you need are 2 vases, a candle, some sand, and some of the sprigs. I like to break mine down. Take your Dollar Tree sand and pour it into a large vessel. The real key is that one vessel is bigger than the other, so the second fits inside on top of the sand just like this. Really, this idea is like the Russian nesting doll of fall crafts, and what I love about it is you probably have some of these items at home already. In fact, maybe you have some items from your stash you could do all of these DIYs with without even having to go to the store. Think about what you have first and how you could use it to combine with some of the items that I'm sharing. The leaves this year are so worth picking up though. You see how they're a bit translucent? The flickering flame that goes through the glass, this is gonna look so stunning. In fact, I think this is one of those DIYs that looks even better when you see it in person. And I don't know about you, but I go through candles really quickly, because I love them so much. So I've personally been finding a lot of candles at the thrift store. And the thrift store is often even cheaper than Dollar Tree. For example, in my local Habitat Restore, I found these candles that smell amazing for 50 cents. Probably someone who threw weddings dropped them off, but you can use that to your advantage. Use things that you have. And I hope that these fun Dollar Tree finds are inspiring you. If this video felt like a fun escape, would you leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel? Over half of you watching aren't yet subscribed.
Let me know if you give any of these a try, my beautiful friend. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.